Kumbandu spa Tylli ki Masi Khemdud belasam dekat tnad Animal Husbandary and Veterinary Nongri jingri ka rilum Garo lyngba ka Livestock Mission la kynnoh bagi lapoi pynban Bangladesh kum ki Masi shohdoh. Ya kani lai thu do sembut mentirang ba ka jala bade pe ka tnad Animal Husbandary and Veterinary ba perstun song hak jelang pli ka Directorate of Dairy Development batru ya ka Megalia Processing Center hamuyong. Mulai thuru ba ketika kam kelapau pertaya hadian bola hatoket aki officer ki balai thu ba kitai ki Masi baro ki Khaii Beain sabar ke India kata sa Bangladesh. Halor kan ni sembut mitrang ba ulama hamru ki officer bat ki badai pe ba kim di setia ban le kam kai.
You please find out that 600 cows whether the farmers can really multiply their income. So when my officers went inspection done, not even a single cow were found. Very unfortunate. And those cows were ultimately smuggled outside India, that is Bangladesh. I warn the officers, I warn the management, please don't just play like that. We are here to serve you. We are here to serve you. But don't just play. Don't just say that this cow, I receive it from the government, therefore it is my bounden duty to sell it out to Bangladesh. So friends, let us participate in this mission.